everyone, it's NonnaGrace, and now guess what? I should show you my sweater again. I just remembered. This is another sweater that I have. This one I have to fold the sleeves because they're just a tad long on me. But they're a nice cuff on it. I like the cuff. And this is the sweater. And I was asked, how do I wash these? Well, I wash them in the machine. I don't put them in the dryer though. When I wash them, I just put them on the there's a hand washing gentle cycle in my machine, and that's what I use. And when I dry them, I roll them up in a towel like you would years and years and years ago if you didn't have a dryer. You roll it up in a towel and you squeeze it as much as you can to try to get it out, and then you just lay it nice and flat and let it just dry. That's how I dry them. And then when they get to a certain point, I actually have a clothes rack. I can put them across upstairs. But I wait till they're pretty dry before I would do that, because you would end up seeing the little bar marks on them where they would dip down in and whatever. It would look like a washboard ripple, but a wide washboard ripple. I have a couple of videos I'd like to put in there. They're going to be about the chickens. And I did put the drone footage in. I was asked if they could see the drone footage. So I'm putting a little bit of that, just a little bit of it in. And then we're going to see the chickens again. Well, and Honey Boo Boo has, I think, learned the trick of crowing on the railing, except he forgets to jump down and go get his snack with the girls. Jim had to actually go out and give him a little push on the butt. And then he went in. And when I went out the second time, he was on the wrong side of the fence. He was on my side instead of the girls' side. So he's got to learn which way to jump when he jumps down. Well, let's just go to the video. Did I say that before? I can't remember.
Not to go to the video.
I said I was going to put it in. Well, let's just go to it. Honey Boo Boo has gotten the idea. He is up on the railing. Okay. Let's eat a little bit out of the bucket. Okay. Okay, Silver, you get some too. All right, let's go down then. Come on, girls. We're all waiting. Oh, come on, back up, back up, back up. Okay, come on down. Here, chick, come on. Let's go. Here, chick. Let's go. And here they all come. Whoa. Honey Boo Boo always looks to come eat out of my bucket. Okay. Whoa. Okay, Silver, we'll give you some on the ground. We'll just put them up down here. There you go. And there they are, enjoying morning breakfast. Silver?
They're all looking, waiting for you.
Oh, you're not taking me, are you? Oh my goodness. Whoa, I can feel the air. Go, Dorothy. Okay, little lady, get yourself in there. Hello, Cora. You want some? There you go, Cora. What do I do? What they get? There you go, girl. Let me get some extra Cora. Cora wants some. She eats out of my hand. She's a good little girl. This one, Isabella still hasn't. She doesn't. Oh, hello. Oh, you're the one that bites. Ouch! Yes, you are the one that bites. I don't want you to eat out of my hand. You bite. She bit me. And she's just gonna have to not. Hello, Mr. Brown. There you go, sweetie. Let her eat out of the Mr. Brown basket. Only because the others are probably higher up on totem pole. There you go. Here, we'll give you some more. Go over there a little bit, girl. Look. There you go, honey boo boo. Silver. Emma, do you want some? There you go, Emma. You can have some. Oh, big girl, you're the one that bites me. She's gonna eat out of the container. She bites. She bit me again. She's so naughty. Did you see Honey Boo Boo and all the girls? I have one hen that he must really like, and I said to Jim, she must be awfully pretty because she's the only one that her back feathers are kind of worn away. I would love to put a chicken saddle on her, but she would be a difficult one to catch because she's not as friendly as some of the hens. Also, the others would probably chase her because she would look different. That's what happened the last time I put chicken saddles on, only just a few. They were chasing and they didn't like it, and they were picking at it, and it made it worse. So I'm going to just hope that her feathers grow back. Well, I hope you all had a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.